Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial for creating change orders. We'll cover creating change orders and sending them out through the website. First, we want to build a change order template. This is the same process as building an estimate template, however with a few minor changes, such as adding the change order number and name tag. Upload this document into the Templates section under Custom Data. Create a change order email template. And head to the job details page of your job that needs a change order. At this stage, Workglue assumes the original estimate has been delivered and signed off on. The estimate line items need to be locked for the option to create a change order to appear. Once the estimate is locked, click the Change Request link to begin. Fill in this information just as you would the original estimate. If you'd like to include a summary on your request to your customer, use the Notes field and include the note tag on your template. Hit Save. The option to number and name your change order appears. If you leave these fields blank, Workglue will continue numerically. Generate your PDF of the change request. Select your change order template. Verify your line items are correct and attach any photos. Hit Continue. And now you've reached the screen to save to the Documents binder and send out to the customer. Head back to the Job Details page and scroll down to the Estimate section. Because the change order was not locked, we won't see it in the summary. We will see a red number over the change order link, signifying that we have a change request in progress. Once we receive approval from the customer, head back to this section and hit Lock as Change Order. This action will move the request out of the queue and create the change order section on the Job Details page. From here, you can generate another change order document if you need. Change orders are also accessible through the mobile app in the checklist section. Painters are able to mark off those items and allocate their hours to that work by selecting the cost code and entering notes. As you can see here with the work order icon, a painter in the field has completed this work and made a note. Check out the mobile app tutorial on change orders for more information. That completes our change order tutorial for the website. Please reach out to us through the support button or send an email to workglue.com. We'll see you next time.